Hey there guys, today I'm going to have a padlock. This one's going to be a Kryptonite by Schlage. There's a look at the front. There's a look at the back. It's KS43 back here. Here's a picture of the box that it came in. And lock is working. Get the key in here. That is unlocked. The padlock's working. Unlock them back up. Give you guys a look at the key bitting. There's a look at the key bitting right there. Put that down. Be using my Peterson Prybar, the thick one. This lock for some reason requires heavy tension. Go ahead and get that set. I'll be using my number 3 hook pick from Peterson's Euro series. Go ahead and get the lock, get the pick in here, heavy tension. Go back to keyway. Try setting these pins. Try it again. This lock is extremely hard to pick for some reason when the camera's on. So, work my way back here. There's a 5th pin. 4th pin. Looks like the 3rd pin's set. 2nd pin. Just get my pick underneath them. Oh, I dropped everything. And try that again. Go back to keyway. Here's the 5th pin. 4th pin. 2nd pin. Felt like I picked up the 3rd. There it is. Thank God I got this on camera. There it is, Kryptonite by Schlage, picked open. This has been like the 5th take. I'm so glad. Probably the 10th take. I'm so glad I got this lock picked open. There it is. It's going to be the KS43. Here's a look at the key bitting again. Maybe. There's the key bitting. Sorry. And this lock doesn't have any security pins. I don't know why it requires heavy tension, but it does. And as soon as you get like on the 3rd pin and you hear a click inside, one of the pins drop back down, you gotta start all over again. So there it is, picked open. Kryptonite KS43. As always, thanks for watching. You guys have a good one.